In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Forms. This process is quite straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to navigate over to Google Drive, which is the hub for all your Google documents, including your forms. Opening Google Drive is our first step, as it allows us to easily access all the files we've created and stored in the cloud. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your web browser and logging in with your Google account credentials if prompted. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see an interface filled with your files and folders. To access Google Forms, we need to head over to the Apps section. Look towards the top left corner and click on the grid icon, which represents Google Apps. This will bring up a drop-down menu of all the Google services available to you. From this list, select Forms. Upon clicking Forms, you'll be directed to the Google Forms page, where all your existing forms are displayed. Take a moment to find the particular form you wish to print. You can browse your forms list or use the search function if you have many forms and need to quickly locate one. Once you have your form open, you might want to review it to ensure everything is in order. Next, turn your attention to the top right corner of the page. Click on the 3 vertical dots, which represent the More options. This button unveils a menu with additional actions you can perform with your form. Now we're almost there. From the drop-down menu, select the Print option. This will open up a print preview window, displaying how your form will look on paper. In this window, you can adjust your printing preferences. You might want to check the layout, choose your preferred printer, and decide on any other printing details such as the number of copies or color preferences. Once you're happy with the settings, click the Print button to send your document to the printer. And that's it. You've successfully printed a Google form. Having a hard copy of your form can be quite useful for record keeping, physical distribution, or simply a backup. Keep these steps in mind and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for joining me today, and happy printing!